Hello everyone, welcome back to TechyBro. Imagine losing all your precious photos, documents or videos. It is a nightmare, right? But what if there was a way to recover lost data? Yes, today we are going to dive into EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, a powerful tool that can help you bring back your lost files. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is a software application that helps you recover deleted or lost data from various storage devices like HDD, SSD, USB or memory cards. So the link of this software is available in the video description. So time to put on your silly belts, let's get started. So first of all, download it. Simply click on the free download button. After downloading, install this, and after installation, launch the software. Here is the software interface. Here you can see we have bunch of features. First of all, select a location to search for lost data. You can recover data into internal drives like C partition, D partition, E partition and more. And down below here we have a specify a location like recycle bin, desktop and select folder. At the left here we have different options like advanced recovery features, SD card, NAS and Linux and crash PC options. You can try these options one by one, but in this video we are going to talk about how you can recover your deleted data. And even if you want to recover your deleted data into your external drives, so you can do it very easily. If I want to recover my deleted data into my USB, and here you can see my USB is added. But first of all, I will delete my data. Select the data and simply click on the delete button. And that's it, this folder is empty. Now go back to the software, select the drive and simply click on the search for lost data. And the processing is start. Wait here for a few seconds. Here you can see we have two options like path and types. Here you can see your data in path shape and type shape. If I click on the path button, here you can see your all data in combined form, and in type section you can see your data in picture folder, videos folder, documents, audio and more. So wait here for a few seconds. It will take some time because it depends on your data and your internet speed. So wait here for a while. During the process, you can pause or stop anytime. And here is our data. Simply check it out. You can see its preview. Now simply select your needed data and click on the recover button. Select your location and simply click on the save button. And that's it. Our data is recovered. So that's very easy to recover your data by using EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. It's easy to use and can help you recover lost files from various storage devices. If you have lost data, don't panic. Try EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. The link of this software is available in the video description. So I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.